Hey lovelies, welcome to our day one AI training. First and foremost, I want to say thank you for trusting me with your money, trusting me with your time, trusting me that I will be able to give you what you want. And before we move forward, I've already told some of you, but if I have not, this class is going to be a practical class. Yes, because I want to teach you in a way that if tomorrow a child of 8 years wants to learn, he or she can be able to understand what I'm teaching. So no hurry, no rushing. We are going to take it one step at a time. What I want for you is on your optimal cooperation and learning with open mind. And feel free to ask questions during this training. Yes, you are free to ask questions during this training. So not that when any other new thread come, you will feel like, I'm confused. How did they do this thing? That is why we want to attack it in a very simple way. Like we're going to bring down a big mountain in with this tiniest ways that so we are going to be addressing this big heavy AI editing, cinematic movie, storytelling, anything you want to do with the simplest method. And this method I'm going to teach you, once you start using them, any niche you want to find yourself, you can do it. All you have to do is apply this formula to what you want to do. I'm going to give you the formula and you can use it in any niche that you want to do. So like I said earlier, it's a practical class, and today we are starting with prompting. What is prompting? So prompting is the language that AI understands. You know, we have Igbo, we have Yoruba, we have Hausa. So prompting is AI language. As funny as it may sound, that is what it is. So if for example I want AI now, a lady should go to the market. I can say, hey, you go to the market, and you will understand me. But if I tell AI, go to the market, that AI may not understand. Yes, that is where prompting comes in. So how do we prompt? I'm going to be making use of two apps in this tutorial, and this app will give you the best results that you need. Number one is Gemini. Number two is ChatGPT. These two guru, they are the should I say people? Okay, let me use app. They are the app that understand how to talk to AI. If you are using your own human language, the AI will not go. That is why you see some people will say AI go wrong, me go wrong, editing go wrong. I told AI to give me this and it gave me that. That is because their prompting is wrong. So like I said earlier, this thing is a practical class. Let's go. Let me show you. I want to turn my camera back so that we will do it together. I want us to prompt together, like 2 or 3 prompts together, if that will not be too much for you. I don't mind that this video is long. Like I said, it is going to be detailed, and you can always come back to watch any of my video anytime you feel stuck. So we are already here, and I want us to go to ChatGPT. So these are the story I did before. Let's start afresh. Okay, we are already here. So now, one thing I want you to know is this. Do you know you can create story? You can create series. You can create anything, cooking video, anything. We don't even need to type. All you need to do is just use the record button, say whatsoever you want to say, and the floor is yours. And one advantage about this thing is this: you can express yourself with this prompt, with this microphone icon. So you don't need to, maybe there's typing error, maybe you don't know what to say, maybe you don't know the terms to use because maybe you are not a movie producer, maybe because you are not a chef. No, maybe I want to cook now. I can tell ChatGPT that, ChatGPT, give me a prompt of a lady cooking amala soup in a local kitchen in Nigeria. I want her to use calabash. I want her to use local Nigeria ingredients, and I want the things to be very rare. I want the sound to show. I want the camera angles. See, just say anything the way it is in your mind, and you will be surprised that this guy will do this thing. And one thing that most people make it wrong, you know, where most of them get it wrong is this. Some of them, they will not tell the app, tell ChatGPT that I'm using Grok or I'm using Gemini or I'm using Dollar app. So you need to also tell this ChatGPT that give me the prompt in a way that Dollar app will be able to understand, in a way that YouTube will be able to generate it. Because sometimes there are some prompts that Gemini will accept, Grok will not accept it. No, I think Grok is the one that accepts practically almost all prompts, even if it's a kissing scene. Sorry, because I don't know if kids will be here. Okay, even if it's maybe fighting scene, even if it's a danger scene, Grok will give you. But there are some apps, they will not give you, they will tell you it's against their community guideline. But if you tell this ChatGPT that this is the app I'm using for this video, be rest assured that it will give you the prompt that you need. It will prompt it out for you in a way that you can be able to get the results that you want. So for our practical now, our first prompt is this. Let me think of what story okay, let's do this. Let's make it simple first, for since this is day one. So okay, let's do this. Okay, ChatGPT, give me a prompt that I can use to generate a 10 seconds video of a lady who woke up in shock because she heard a loud noise in the door. So I want you to give me a prompt that I can use to generate this video. So this is what the icon that you're going to press. Sorry that I'm mistaking the pressing, because my focus is on the camera, because I want the camera to capture everything. Okay, you see? So this is the 10 seconds prompt. So this is the camera angle, this is the audio, this is the style. But the main reason why my own now gave me this camera angle, this audio and style, because I've been using this ChatGPT to do some series, and you know by now that I need these things in my story. So as a beginner, I would advise you, tell them that I want the style. You don't need to say the style should be like this. Just say add the style, the location, the audio, the camera angles, the sound. I don't know if this is not too much for you. So always make sure you input it in what you want, so that you get the sound will just rhyme. You don't have to go to CapCut and put the sound yourself. So this is the prompt that it gave us now. And this is what we are going to use. So probably I want to generate an image that will match this thing now. Okay, let me tell ChatGPT to give me an image that will match this story. So give me an image, generate an image that will match this story of a lady in a room. I want her to be in a nightwear. Not revealing any of our private body, but it should be well covered in a sleeping nightwear. That's not too much. But this thing, they sweet me because it feels good to give prompts, and you see an app that just obey you once. Okay, let's wait for some seconds for the image to generate. Okay, you see. So this is the image. Okay, I've reached my limits to generate prompts. This one, I'm going to use a screen record with my other phone now. So this is the prompt, the image that is generated. And for you to save this image, you just click the image, check if you liked it. This image is very fine and it's perfect for what you want to do with it. So we are going to use this arrow here to save. So once we click, it has already saved to your gallery. So anytime you want to use it, you just go there and carry. You see? So this is how to do a prompt. This is how to prompt. So let me teach you how to also prompt with Gemini. Though it's the same thing though, but I need to still teach you guys. So let's go to Gemini and see how to prompt there. So this is Gemini app, and if you want to also voice, you can also use Gemini to prompt. But personally for me, I love ChatGPT and I love the image generation. I love the prompting. So I make use more with ChatGPT. So, but let me show you how to do this one. Now you just need to click. Give me a 10 seconds video prompt of a lady that is lying on the bed, and she will wake up in shock because she heard a loud sound on the door. So I want you to give me 10 seconds prompt with the style, the location, the audio sound, the camera setting, and everything. I want it to be a cinematic scene. So I've sent it. Let's wait for some seconds for the prompt to generate. Wow. You see? So this is a cinematic video prompt. You see the location? Okay. You see the camera setting. So all you just have to do now, I don't know if I said it before, you just have to copy. You can just double press, you drag down, depending on the phone you are using. You just drag down, and that's basically how you can just have to drag down. You can do like this, or you do this to sign here. Once you drag this one down, also make sure you copy it to. I don't know why my is not showing. So once you drag down now, you copy. The sign to copy will be there. It was showing since. So you just click on copy, or you use this two sign here to copy the full text. So this is how to get our prompt. Let me tell this Gemini now to generate image for us now, so that we also compare the both image. Because for me, I prefer ChatGPT image because it's very realistic. Like it's real compared to other app. So generate an image that I can use to create this scene. So let's wait for some seconds. So look at the image that Gemini generated for me. The image is very fine. It's very fine. Maybe I would have want a Nigeria setting. So I would have want a Nigeria setting. So if you want to save, you look at the save option here. You save if you like it. But if you don't like it, all you have to do is just add the description that you want. Maybe you want a Nigeria setting. Like I said earlier, the main reason why ChatGPT was prompt to me was because that is the app I use mainly. So if you are using this Gemini often, it will also be so smooth to you. Like it will get used to what you need and how you need your things, if that makes sense. So this Gemini, I don't make use of it often, except when I ran out of the free limits on ChatGPT with this my phone. So if maybe you want it to be in a Nigeria setting, you want the lady to be putting on pink, blue, you can just, okay, let's do this thing again. Why are they talking? Okay. Recreate this image. I want the lady to be a Nigeria lady putting on a red nightwear, and I want a bed. I don't want the door to be showing. Okay, let's go with that one first. So I reached my limits with creating here, but I think I will do more screenshots. This is the main reason why I said the paid version will definitely do better. Like if you subscribe, you will get more advantage, because this phone is not on. I did not connect the link to this one, so I will do more of screen record now. So this is why I said you need to subscribe to an app for you to be able to get the best the best out of this AI. Else, it's like a child that is hungry. If you not give him food, the next thing will tell you is, I'm hungry. Even if you say, go and do this thing for me, even if that thing is close to him or her, it will say that I'm hungry because the child is hungry. So if you subscribe, you have the best. And lucky you guys, there's a promotional link on Google Flow with Gemini. So it's a 2-on-1 link. Once you pay, I'll send you the link and you access those two, and you have unlimited image generation. And for the Google Flow, 1,000 credits, while for the Gemini, you'll be able to create up to 10 videos daily, 10 seconds daily, which is a win-win. So for the prompts, this is basically how to generate prompts. All you need to do is express yourself on the prompts as the thing that you want to create. Let ChatGPT or Gemini know that this is what I want to generate, and I want you to give me, if it's a 10 seconds video, if it's a 20 seconds video, if it's a 1 minute video, if you want it to be an 8-minute video, all you have to say is 8 minutes video. But because your app generation is 10 seconds each, be specific that you want each scene to be 10 seconds. because I think the highest yeah, most app give is 10 seconds. Only Grok give 15 seconds. I think if you are on heavy Grok, which is the one of 400 and something thousand. So you tell the app, if you are using the one of 5 seconds, tell the app that each scene should be 5 seconds. But the total of the video that you want to do is 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, depending on what you are creating. You understand now? So that is how you are going to explain yourself to ChatGPT. So as time progresses, I will definitely explain better. This today is step one. I don't want this thing to be too much for the beginner, especially those that don't have any knowledge about this thing. So for the sake of those people that does not have any knowledge about this thing, I don't want it they want to be too complex or too difficult. So obviously, I told you it's a practical class, then there must be an assignment. And this is your assignment for today. Give me a well-detailed 10 seconds prompt and the image that corresponds to that prompt. I want, if I read your prompt, I'll be able to know that, okay, this is what this person is going to create without you telling me. So, see you guys tomorrow.